How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi not showing in your settings on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to go with your command prompt, search for CMD, and then go with Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, get this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply enter ping space 127.1.1.1 and then hit the enter. And if you get this kind of interface, then there's nothing wrong with your computer hardware. It's just a Windows 10 or 11 problem. So if you want to fix this, then what you need to do is just simply go back and you need to search for control panel and open up your control panel. And from your control panel, you need to go with the internet options or the network options. Go with network and sharing center. Here you may have restore advanced settings. But if you don't have that option, then you just need to simply go with internet options, go with advanced, and here you need to go with restore advanced settings. Click on it and it will reset your internet options on your computer. But this may not fix the problem. So the next thing you can do is just go back and then search for services and open up your services. Now here you will have a list of services on your computer. From there, you just need to simply go with a service, which is WLAN AutoConfig, which is right here. Make sure that the service has started, because if it is stopped, then you just need to simply go and start the service. Once you've started the service, then just double click on it and make sure that it is set as automatic on its startup type. And after that, the problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then just follow the next method, which is you need to open up your settings and then you need to go with change adapter options. But if you don't find the option, then there's also the second way. So you can just go with the control panel again, open up your network and sharing, and just go with the internet connection. Or here on the left side, you will have change adapter settings. Click on the change adapter settings, and after that, right click on your Wi-Fi and then go with enable. In my case, it's working properly, but if it is giving any issues to you, then you just need to simply go with enable that option if it is disabled. But if it is already enabled, then you just need to simply go and disable it and again enable it. After that, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then the next thing you need to do is open up your device manager. Search for your device manager. You'll get this kind of interface. So go with the network adapters, enlarge that, and just simply select your Wi-Fi. So I'll just simply go with the second option and then right click on it, and you need to go with update driver. So click on update driver or just simply go with properties. Under properties, you need to go with driver option, and here you can simply go with update driver and you need to update your driver. Go with the first option, search automatically drivers, and then if the best drivers have been installed already, then you just need to simply go back and try fixing your problem. But if that still doesn't fix, then you need to go and uninstall the device. Once you uninstall, you need to restart your PC. Once you've restarted your PC or your laptop, then your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on your 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. For watching.